YouTube, what's happening? It's your boy Penny LS1. Excuse the wind if you hear some wind noise. I'm about to work on these brakes today. So this is what I'm gonna actually go with on Project SS. These come off of a 2000 Blazer, 2-wheel drive. So I'm getting ready to break this down, clean it up. These are new rotors. Those are new pads right there. I've got new hubs. Now this one I already had broke down, cleaned this up. I painted this one about a year ago. Y'all probably saw that in that first video with the brake upgrade. But in that first brake video, y'all probably saw when I put these on. Well, when I had put these together. These are the C5 calibers. These are the C5 rotors. It's the whole setup right here. That's the other hub. Oh shit, let me put that back on. Now this right here, this one actually I had already cleaned up. This is a Blazer one. I had already cleaned it up and sanded it down with my Dremel. So I'm getting ready to paint these today. So that's what I want to show y'all. If you don't have the money to go with the big brakes, this is a budget-friendly setup because you can get these brakes. You can go to the yard, pull these off of a 2000 Blazer, 2000 to 2002, I believe. As long as it's a rear-wheel drive, not an all-wheel drive, a 4x4. You can get new hubs from anywhere. I got these from Detroit Axle. The main thing you need though is this right here. This will bolt directly on to the Gbody. And then from there, all you gotta do is buy new rotors, new pads, and you're good to go. So let me, I'm gonna put you on time lapse. Let me break this down. I'm gonna put oven cleaner on it. I got my pressure washer out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cleaned up. So let me get you set up and so y'all can watch me break this down. All right, so I got it broke down. So what I'm pretty much about to do, I don't know. Yeah, on this one I didn't sand this one down. On the other one, I'm gonna hit I got my Dremel charging up because the battery wasn't ready. So I'm gonna leave this line on because there is still fluid in there. But first thing I'm gonna do, I don't know. Let's look. Let me see if it's still. This one might be seized up. I don't know. Let me show you this other one. This one works. It's not as bad, but well, it's not working now. Oh, you can hear it because see the fluid came out because I took the whatchamacallit off the line. So it's probably because it's pinched. We're gonna roll with it. Okay, so I'm finna put oven cleaner on all the dirty parts. This, that, this as well. Now this one's already painted, but I'm gonna repaint it. So I don't want it, it's not gonna be this color anymore. I'm going with with this right here for both spindles. So I'm gonna hit this with this that paint stripper right there. So while the oven cleaner is marinating on these dirty parts, the paint stripper, I'm gonna spray on here, just let it sit out in the sun, probably for about 30-40 minutes or so. And then I'm gonna come back out here and pressure wash it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece over here. I got a little thing set up, a couple of bricks, and I'm just gonna spray. The reason I'm doing that, so that way when I put the oven cleaner on there, and then I can just come back and hit it with the pressure washer, and it's raised up off the ground. So I'm gonna do that over there. Let me get a couple more bricks. I got a bunch of bricks lined up at the back of the fence here. Let me get a couple more bricks so I can set this on, and I'm probably gonna do the same thing with that. So actually, you know what? I'm not gonna put any oven cleaner on here because I'm gonna sand this anyway. So actually, I'm gonna start on that while that other stuff is soaking. I'll go ahead and spray some oven cleaner on this though. I'll just put it with this one. Sorry about the wind, y'all. I told y'all it's sunny, but it's windy. So oven cleaner on these two, that one, and that one's getting paint remover. I know I painted this a couple years ago, but I'm just gonna go with all black suspension parts, black and red. So I need my gloves so I can turn it over. Cause this stuff kind of itch when it get on your skin. Y'all hear them airplanes? Yeah, I live close by 2 municipal airports. So I hear all them planes low. They either coming in or they just going out. Man, this is the first time I actually found this brand. Cause I've been getting dollar store bread cause ain't nobody been having the shit is crazy. I don't know if it's a manufacturer thing. Hold on, y'all, let me put my mask on, hold on. All right, man, I had to put a mask on, man. This shit here, fuck with your lungs. And y'all don't need that. So just gonna spray it down real good. This just to degrease it. We gonna pressure wash it anyway. I don't have the wheels that I want yet. Well, I don't know, actually, I don't even know what wheels I want. That's the reason I'm not putting those brakes on, because you need at least a 17-inch wheel, right? For that brake to clear. I mean, for the wheels to clear the caliber. So they won't fit with the stock 15s, whereas this Blazer setup will. So that's pretty much, I mean, I'll be real with y'all. I mean, I kind of have an idea what wheels I want, but I don't have the money. So I'm trying to look and see if I can find some more cost-effective ones that'll look decent until I can save the money to get the ones that I want. You know, I'm not going 4Gs like everybody. I'm not going Ruchis, I'm not going Amani. Actually, I did see some Amani 4s that I did like. So I'm trying to find something different. So I just had this over here plugged up. Oh, my back. Oh, man. I gotta get my tool so I can change this, take this cut wheel off and put the sanding disc on. So let me set y'all up. So I got my sanding disc or sanding wheel on here. You know, it's real easy. You see how fast this come off? So I'm just getting off the little surface. I think on that other one I went down to the metal on some parts, but I'm really just trying to get down, just get this first layer of paint off. I just always, since I've always watched my uncle paint cars or anything he's painted, he's told me always use primer. It just makes a even base before you start putting your color on there. So let me do this. I'm gonna put that on time lapse so y'all can watch me do this. I got these in primer, the little dust shields or whatever. I might let these sit overnight just because, I don't know. But as you can see, they look pretty good. I'm gonna shoot them with the, I think it's the chassis black. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot them with this roll bar chassis. So what I'm finna do right now is just, I got these clean, but this one's got a bunch of rust on it. So I'm gonna hit that with the Dremel and get rid of all those spots before I hit it with the, what I said I was gonna shoot that with, epoxy. Yeah, with this epoxy paint. I'm gonna paint both of these and the brackets with this epoxy paint. So I'm just gonna clean them up with the sanding wheel on the Dremel. All right, so I made some progress. Starting to grind this one down. Get some of them rust spots out. I still got a little bit to go right there. I haven't started on this one yet. This one's already been painted, so I'm just gonna really just scuff this one up. This is just surface rust on that raw part, so we'll scuff that up. and then I'm gonna scuff these up as well. But I've already painted the little dust shields or whatever. I don't care. I'm not trying to get them perfect, but cleaned them up. I put some high temp primer on there. I didn't sand it or anything, so I'm not worried about none of that. You ain't gonna see none of this. I just want to make sure it's not gonna rust. But I'm gonna go ahead and call it an evening. I'm gonna shoot one more coat on those splash shields, and then in the morning I'm gonna come back out here and finish this up right here. I don't know, I bought this. I should have got the one with the cord. I don't know what I was thinking. So I might run and get one of them tonight or early in the morning so I can finish this up, because that's actually what's slowing me down, is because the battery keeps running out and I only have one battery. I'm just gonna go get a corded Dremel. I think they're actually cheaper. And then I'll get all this finished up. This will be all in that epoxy. I hope I got enough. Or I might grab another can while I'm out. That's what I'm gonna do. So tomorrow I'm gonna go get another Dremel with a cord and probably get 2 more cans of epoxy paint so I can get all this painted black. And then I'm gonna work on those things over there, the damn the calipers. So those are gonna be red. I have the paint for those right here. Yeah, I got Duplicolor red caliper paint. Y'all like my little makeshift workbench? I had to get creative, man. I had no room in the garage. It works for now, so. But anyway, man, just stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I'm gonna show you all the finished product. And then I'm gonna show you my suspension parts, or my, I got the Pro Forged front rebuilt kit. So I'm gonna show you all that once I get all this painted up. But stay tuned, man. Penny LS1.